Hey everybody, it's me, V, and today I'm making a response video to UK Nation's new album ranker tier list maker. Yeah, I'm gonna go through all these albums and I'm gonna rank them, just like he did. And as I rank them, I will give my own personal opinions and my history with the albums, etc. Okay, so with this one, I want to say it's the most voted, but I'm not sure what it is, so I'm put it on the I haven't heard. Talk, that that's a decent album. I know this one. You guys are good, but I've never really been that big of a fan of Repeater. That's low. Pavement, Slanted and Enchanted. I used to be into Pavement for about a year or two in high school, but I haven't listened to him in so long, so I'll put him in mid tier. The Fad, no idea what that is. Okay, I'm trying to remember what album this is. I want to say Scrub History, but that's not right. Could be Beach House, maybe, but I'm completely unsure as to what that is. And Louis Small, great album, mid tier for sure. Porterfield, what it do with Trip Hop? Yeah, I'm sure mid. Live at Face McCritten, high tier, easily. Led Zeppelin, 4, mid tier, not even the best. I didn't even put that in the top 5. Low, low. Daft Punk, low. Gorillaz, low. Black Sabbath, Paranoid. Not the best Black Sabbath album, but in the context of Welcome Emotion Order, especially the early period, easily got here. Television Mercury Moon, hot here. Bjork. I'm not sure I've heard it, but I'm not sure if I've heard it or not. No. Ruby. Okay, there's a really good album, but it's not even. I don't really understand why people love it. But London is so much better. Hello. Cosmo Factory. Don't know if I heard it. Ew. Funkadelic. Nugget Down. Put it in high tier. Kanye West, My Beautiful Twisted Dark Fantasy. Low. What's this? Is that a job, Main Street? If it is, then put it in shit tier for Rolling Stones. Oh. Okay, I've heard this album, but it's just so forgettable in my opinion. I never really liked it. So shit. Eva Costello, never heard him. Don't know his stuff. Deep Doom Doom, Born to Run. Oh shit. Bob Dylan, Blood on the Tracks. Better Bob Dylan albums out there, so shit. The Crimson King, okay. For the longest time I've never really liked Pride, but this Crimson album is really good. So put it in high tier. Dark Side of the Moon. Okay, well, for years and years I've heard of this album, but I recently gave it a really good listen on a high quality setup and cranked the volume. So I can semi approach it more maybe, but it's still it doesn't capture me. But I respect it a lot. So at the very least, mid to there. Riley Pink, like, great album, but not Riley's best. Bullshit, Pink, high tier, easily. But it's not the best album. Getting the Fur, that was mid tier. Blood, Parker, yeah, never heard that. Godspeed, I'm putting mid tier with the Butter Black Godspeed album. Kaya's Reckless Star Valley, high tier, usually. Hogwarts is my glad pastime and grace now to me. Of gratitude, one of my favorite options of all time. Captain Jaws on about speciality. Uh, I'm hesitant to put it in hot tier, but even though I love it, uh, mid tier. Swan soundtrack for the blonde, low tier, really for a little bit. Okay, I love David Bowie, but Jiggy Stardust is usually his actually the most mediocre of his best albums. Um, so I'm putting it in hot. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put it on hard here, even though I think it's one of the lesser albums. Okay, other Planet Ever Street, got to you, no argument there. Daydream Nation, good album. It's trying to eat back. Put it in mid tier. Revolver. So what it did, in the context of the Beatles discography. Okay, let me see if there's any other Beatles albums down here. Yeah. It should have low. It should have loads on here. I have to put it in God tier. I'm coming on it low, even though it's not the best of its period. But the Berlin period is beautiful stuff. But okay, back to Revolver. It depends on if Sergeant Pepper's in here. If Sergeant Pepper's in here, choose Sergeant Pepper. Alright, well, since Sergeant Pepper's not on here, it's gonna have to be. Mm, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in high tier. Great album, but is it the Beatles, like, peak? I do not believe so. The classic London Calling, low tier, it's a good punk album. It's a decent punk album, but not more than that. Living Over Me. I love this album, but doesn't stand up to any of these albums on its own. I'm gonna have to say no. Love it, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't stand up to Talking Heads, film music. No, not film music, it's God, okay, hold on, let me look it up. Talking Heads, I can't remember it. Talking Heads. No, stop making fun. What is it? 77? No, not 77. Not film music. Moon and Light. Mmm. Mm. It was hard. Um, I had to come back to that one and put it at the bottom. Okay. Um, Anime Collective. Okay, I've heard this album, but I can't even remember a single damn song I favorite. The thing is, I don't even like Anime Collective that much, so what is it? No, not doing Fields. Nope, not Fields either. Not Strawberry. Wait, is there even Anime Collective? No, it might be Panda Bear. Huh. Yeah, there is. Post and pick, Panda Bear. Eesh. I know I've heard it, but nothing coming to mind. I'm off with it in the haven't heard category, but nah. It's not familiar though. Swear to God, I can't remember anything off of it. Smashing Pumpkins, Siamese Dream. It's good as a good listen, but honestly, it's no idea what that is. Could A, could A, okay computer. Low tier and mid tier. Why? Dude, that's right. Who Tommy, usually God tier. One of the best diamonds. Um, even if it's not the best diamond, it's still, I'm principally alone that he's too damn good to be on that. That's an emo album. That's, Sunny Day Real Estate, I think. That has to be it. Sunny Day Real Estate. That's tired, isn't it? Yeah, I've heard it, but yeah, when it comes to Midwest emo, my go-to pick would get up to what's that band? Yeah, Indian Summer. Right, Indian Summer. Holy shit, that's an amazing emo band. The whole sound and aesthetic where they take the old blues, some of the old, and they incorporate them with the music. Mm, beautiful. Really gets you in the feels, if you know what I mean. But Sunny Day Real Estate, low tier. Loser, Blue Album. It's good for it's good for a listen, but I wouldn't put it for a high tier. Oh shit, that's run no turn run no trip print novel or something like that. I heard it, but I'm hesitant to put it on low tier. But I'm sure it's mid. Pet John, God God tier. Uh, Van Morrison after whatever. Low tier. Lone Brown live at the Apollo. It's John Brown in his early print of the career at his peak. Have you heard the crowd on there? Have you heard his dreams and yells? Oh my God, it's James Brown. I mean, hell, I'm putting the audio over here to show how good he is. Alright, pictures, Doolittle, high tier. I mean, how can you not? Nick Drake. Good album, but mid tier. Oh God, what's this? I can't even read it. Yeah, I don't even know what this is. Okay, this is gonna be controversial, but since I left you, I'm tempted to put it in God tier, but I don't know if it's at that daughter for these albums yet. Even though it's an amazing album. So high tier. The Curious good tier. Easy. Neil Coden. Mm, I'm not even sure I've heard this. Brian Wilson, Miles. I never gotten into Miles. Like, it's just too. The production's on it great. I love the sound of it, but it's not coherent whatsoever. So, low tier. Believe in Las Vegas. Is that the Cure? No, it's not the Cure song. Oh, that is Cat High Twins. Yeah, Cat High Twins. Oh, shit. Um, I'm gonna look it up. Leaving Las Vegas. Doo doo doo. Oh, it's not what? Who is it? Something Las Vegas. Las Vegas. No. Oh, Heaven of Las Vegas. That's it. Cat High Twins. Hmm. sure. I think I've heard of them. I'm pretty low to it. I'm pretty sure I've heard about it. Let me look it up. Okay, there you go. Well, put it in low to it. Front dropped hot rats. Mid tier. Tom Road, haven't heard. Artifact Trend. I have some of this stuff, but I can't remember anything after this record. Darling, love it. That's mid tier. It is. Compared to these records. Alright, got Bob Dylan, Purple. Wait, Harris Run Revisited. Put it in hard tier. Maybe not hard tier, but it's good. Compared to Blood on Track, bad. What the hell is this? I don't recognize this. Okay, got the drive in, mid tier. Good album, I love it. Doesn't look a huge. This album at the huge, mid tier. Compared to Tommy. Patti Smith, okay. The guy to the punk movement now is phenomenal, and I respect her, but her music is fucking shitty. Oh, this one, hated this album. Oh, it was huge. Huge. I like it, but I'm not gonna must have been to do that. I haven't so low tier. The hell deal? Oh, King Crimson. Haven't heard this one actually. Okay. Trans European Express, if I remember correctly. That was I feel has to be mid tier. Come on, Billy Illinois, low tier. Yeah. What the hell is this? I don't recognize this album. This a new edition? Alright, let's do Sound System. They're guilty pleasure, but honestly, mid tier. The Replacements, ooh, that's a good album. Damn good album. Yeah, I'm putting it in low tier. Doesn't compare to that one. Yeah, it doesn't compare to any of these actually. It's a Blue Factored, shit here. Mirror Pavilion. Shit here. Neil Young. In regard to Neil Young, I've only heard like bits and pieces of his stuff. That's it. The Food, The Face, The Shape of Punk to Come. The Shape of Judge to Come is a better album, but so shit here. Don't copy your stuff like that, man. It's not clear. It's a. Oh god, I can't remember the name now. Tip of my tongue. Yola Tunga. I'm pretty sure that is Yola Tunga, right? Oh yeah, it is. I haven't heard that album in a long time, but I remember not liking it. One baby to another said I'm lucky to meet you. I don't know if it got here, but I put it on high tier. Come on, Nirvana. Never mind. I have to be high tier. Kidding me? Oh, have a nice life. Really got the fear, but does it compare to those albums? I like it, but by John. I listen to it, but it's just kind of meh. No, I like these albums better. Yeah, I'm gonna ship to you. Okay. Look, I know it's got a gun on tonight. David Bowie, Hunky Dory. Who do I begin with this one? I don't know how it doesn't clip for me right forever, but there's some amazing songs on there, like changes and stuff. So, yeah, is it better than Ziggy Stardust? um, okay, we're better than these albums. Yes, most of them. The, I'm hesitant to put them on this level. Ooh, I felt it. Need more hard to anyway. Alright, this is. Oh god, what's that band? Not Arctic Monkeys. Okay, fine. That album's shit to you. God damn. Bill and Sebastian, never heard them. Let's go on. Ooh, the God to them, come on. Love Supreme. Love Supreme. What's it? 69 love songs. Well, like 69 really hit and miss songs. Real Code, haven't heard. Flat Mass Replicant. Oh, very underground. Yes, I know where you are going, for sure. Come on, get up there. British Beer, haven't heard. It was second Screamadelica. Good album, but low tier. Yes, shit tier. Chocolate Candy, good album, love it, low tier. Have you not, man? We are Devo. Come on, Devo, God tier, of course it's God tier. Come on. I mean, they're far more influential than what I ever heard them. More influential on television, in my opinion. So, yeah, in comparison, like Hunky Dory and Jiggy Stardust, there's a way better album. There's no place other for it to be than that. No other place. Rolling Stones, uh, yeah, the only song that's popping up on this album is Please Meet You. I don't know my name. So shit to you. Slow dive. Happy. Maybe. Yeah, I heard. Yeah, it's not gonna be hard to you. Bitchy Brew. Love this album, but there's far better Miles Davis stuff out there. And Love Supreme, it does not stand up to Love Supreme. It just doesn't. So, it's better Miles Davis stuff, but it cannot match the level of Love Supreme. It just can't. Um, the devil and something that's screaming inside me or something. Mid tier. Well, no, not mid tier. Maybe low tier, maybe. Yeah. Ah, slut. Call me by it since I'm from Louisville, but come on. It's going up to God tier. Yeah, I said it. People are gonna hate me. Yep. Mm-mm. Name me another album that's exactly at that level. You can't. You really cannot. Was it better than Dexter? Yes, absolutely. Even though I love these albums, I don't know. Mm. Uh, Jimi Hendrix. 11, but mid tier. Shit tier. No, haven't heard surprisingly. That's T-Rex, isn't it? I reckon that. I may have heard it at some point, but nothing popping up. That Doors, mid tier, good album, but meh. Some kind of blues, Miles Davis. Mm, Respected. I like Butcher Blue a lot better than some kind of blue. Besides, someday my friends will come as uh, I respect kind of blue, but it just never really captured me and really gripped me any of his other stuff. Like I think someday my friends will come as a better album than that. But I respect it. Simon and Garfunkel. I like their stuff, obviously, since I have Paul Simon's Graceland right there, but I'm not sure if I've heard this album, so I haven't heard. Who the hell are you? I haven't heard. Those bug shit to you. Stupid. What a TV eye. Put it in hard to you. Shit to you. Spiritualized. Good album, but put it in. Okay, now that I think about it, have I even heard this Green album? Yeah, I must have didn't haven't heard it. Nothing's coming to mind. Okay, this was a spiritualized. Put a note to it for now. But, don't get me wrong, I love it, but it doesn't. Okay, it's better than now than that time, but. Oh, that was hard. Okay, yeah, let's drop that known. Okay, Mingus. Mingus. Not this one, lady. Uh, for some reason, I never could get into Mingus, but I respect them, so mid tier. Loveless. It could be controversial, but maybe not. Yeah, I'm hitting God to it. 10 out of 10 for me, at least. Yeah, okay, all these albums up here are literally 10 out of 10. I mean, you really cannot find any kind of fault with them. These albums, you can find a little bit of fault with them, or I just really like them a lot, in the case of Birds and Pink, or they're great, but they're not that hot, they're not at that level yet. So, okay, Godspeed the Black Emperors, F sharp, A sharp, one of the better albums, for sure, but mid tier. Jeff Buckley, low tier. Big Black songs about fucking high tier. Pavement, low tier. At least this album. Maybe, yeah, it doesn't line up, it's slanted and unslanted. American Football, good tier. Every Underground again. Honestly, God tier. And to be honest, like the first three Velvet Underground records are like back to back look phenomenal. Okay, now good album, but compared to the rest of them, shit to you. I didn't know this. Seriously, I found memes. The straights, shit to you. Oops. Okay, the album gets Mm. I don't know if yeah, I can put it on hard to it, but it's hard to it for sure. Moon. Yes, moon. Fucking shit. Little cream, right? Yeah, I think that's cream. Okay, I'm just trying to find the button. Wait. Okay, now I'm confused. MC5 maybe? Oh, it could be MC5. Yeah, see, that's got the drums. Okay, I can't even recognize this one. This is, this shows the straights again, but that don't sound right, so you haven't heard. Stone Road, or literally never heard of it. What's that band, you know? Haven't heard this one. I know it. Oh, that's, God, what's that silly band? I can't remember the name. Okay, Fleetwood Mac, Rumors, Low Tier. Good album, but, Abbey Road. Okay, so there's another Beatles album around here? Oh, God. Yeah, I've been in hard here. Ooh, shit. Okay, here's Spectre. Great stuff, but it's gonna have to be mid-tier. Like, in regard to albums and everything, it's just mainly like a compilation of some of his best work. He's more of a producer than anything else. It has to be mid-tier, even if the songs are awesome. Wild, low, mid-tier, big fat mid-tier. Otis Redding, haven't heard this album. Excuse me, Mr. Hendricks, are you experienced? Why, yes. Yes, he is. Soft Bulletin, good album, I like it. Mid-tier. Ooh, Interpol, Hold on to Bright Lights. Is it better than these albums? Honestly, kinda is. Andrew Jackson Jihad, bit low tier. Demar Vota, another low tier. Yeah, another low tier. Joy Division. Motherfucking Joy Division. Okay. High tier for sure. Don't even recognize this album. Oh yeah, that's Stevie Wonder, isn't it? High tier. Weezer again. Mid tier. Bob Dylan. This album kind of meh. My villain, low tier. The Smiths, shit tier. Ramones, the first Ramones record. Honestly, this can be really. I'm very tempted to put it on God tier, but it doesn't match up to these, so it's high tier. Meh. Heard it. Yeah, meh. Spins high. Don't recognize this. That Johnny Mitchell movie. Don't recognize high tier for sure. Okay. These little great high tier once again. Down in there, mid tier. Can. Talk about it. Good album. But. Yeah, I'll pick it high tier for now. Okay. Hey, the Violent Films. Great album, but it's most certainly mid tier. What's that? Oh, the Icelandic group. What is it? Meh. Low tier. Don't recognize this. Who's good dude? Not even the best album. Like, come on, guys. Seriously. Oh, yeah, that Coffee Head Rush. Low tier. Decent, but not a classic. What you doing? This is decent, but not a. Yeah, this is decent, but not a classic. Doesn't compare to these. Hell, when I look at it, the only one that's on here that post 2010 is Death Grips. That's what it should be, I think. And none of the others are like that great. Oh, back to Talking Heads. Okay. Yeah, they put it in mid tier. Alright, so that's all that happens. Alright. I'll go ahead and download this. Log in now to save your tier list. You kidding me? Who's that? I'm just gonna take a screenshot. Save third page, please. Alright. That's my album list. Let's go look at it. Run. Take it. So, like I said before, the guide to like every single song as a whole, like 10 out of 10. The album impeccably great. And with high tier, it was a great album, but doesn't stand up to the guide tier. Same with the mid tier. The mid tier is more of a they're good stuff, but it just doesn't come out to level of the other ones. So, yeah. Okay, and for the other ones, let's do here. Low tier. They're decent albums, but they don't compare. Mid tier, I respect them, but they don't compare either. And I haven't heard. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 26 and 35. 27, 28, 29, 30, 38 albums. Honestly, that's pretty decent. This time I have to go through and listen to these albums, so at the very least I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's the whole point of it. See ya!